Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in our today's video, we are going to learn how to expose the deployment by creating a new service. So in today's question, we have to reconfigure the existing deployment my app, and we need to add a port specification named HTTP, which will expose port 80 TCP of the existing container Nginx. And the second step will be to create a new service named my-app-svc exposing the container port HTTP. And then we have to configure the new service to also expose the individual pods via NodePort on the nodes on which they are scheduled. So let's move on to Coda Playground. In your CKA examination, you will get the existing deployment, but here we don't have. So we will create the deployment here. K create deploy my-app image is equals to Nginx. So our deployment is ready. Now K edit deploy my-app. We need to make few changes here. Move to the spec section inside container. Here we are going to add port details, ports, and as per the question, name is HTTP and container port. This is 80. We'll add protocol TCP. Now the changes are made, so we are going to save this. This is edited. The next step is to create a new service named my-app-svc exposing the container port HTTP. And we also need to configure NodePort in this. So K expose. If you don't know the command -l, this can help you. If you want to expose pod or deployment, so we are going to take this as we have to expose the deployment. The deployment name is my-app name is equals to my-app-svc. This is the name of the service which we are giving. Port is 80. Target port will be 80. Type is equals to NodePort and hyphen protocol is equals to TCP. So we have made all the changes. Let's enter here and our service is exposed. K get SVC. You can see this my-app-svc node port is here and this is running on 32735. K describe SVC. So here you can see this is the node port. Node port is set here and the port is 80 TCP. If you want to check this, K get nodes -o y. This will give you node IP and K get SVC. These two things you need here. Curl. We are going to check whether it is working or not. So curl HTTP. So this is the node and node port is here 32735. 32735. Let's hit enter. This is the output. This shows that your service is properly exposed. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.